guys, this is Lucas from Lucas World. Today I have another Play-Doh surprise egg, and inside there are DC Comics surprises from movies like Batman vs. Superman, Batman Returns, and of course the upcoming movie Suicide Squad. So let's check them out. And here they are. And our first surprise is going to be this blind bag. Inside you'll get one Figural Keychain of women of DC Universe. And you can get Catwoman, Wonder Woman, Batgirl, Supergirl, Hawkgirl, Black Canary, Raven, Poison Ivy, Harley Quinn, and 2 mystery figures. So let's cut the bag open and see who we got. We got Batgirl. So here is our figure. She has a red cape, and I'll hang it on my baby sister's backpack. Time to get our second surprise, and it's gonna be this blind bag. This is another Figural Keychain blind bag, and inside you can either get a hero or a villain. And you can get Superman, Batman, Firestorm, Plastic Man, Shazam, Dr. Fate, Darkseid, Brainiac, Lex Luthor, and 2 mystery figures. Alright, let's open the bag and see who we got. It'll be cool to get Batman because we already got Batgirl. Nope, but instead we got Dr. Fate. So here is the second keychain figure of the day. Now let's check the third surprise. And it's gonna be this MyMoji blind bag. This is series number 1, and inside you can get 1 DC Comics MyMoji figure. There are a couple to collect, and I wish I can get, Harley Quinn. So let's open the bag and see who we got. We got Cyborg. So here rolls Cyborg. Now let's take another blind bag, and this one is hidden right here. This is a Mighty Minis blind bag, and inside you can get 1 figure from Batman vs. Superman. And by the way, this is series number 2. And it looks like we got Batman. So let's build him. But first, let's check the collector's guide. Here it shows you can combine all parts from different figures to make your own character. And on the other side, it shows you all figures you can collect. Now let's build my Batman. So here is my superhero. Guess we got Batman after all. And it looks like he's won the battle against Superman. Yeah, Batman rule. Now let's get our next surprise. And it's gonna be this Funko box. This is a Mystery Minis blind box. And inside you can get a Batman vs. Superman vinyl figure. And there are 12 to collect. You can get Alfred, Aquaman, Armored Batman, Batman, Bruce Wayne, Clark Kent, Nightmare Batman, Princess Diana, Superman, Superman Soldier, Wonder Woman, and Wonder Woman with sword and shield. I wish I can get the Superman Soldier would be fine. Alright, let's open the box. I wonder who's it gonna be. Well, in order to find out, we have to open this blind box. Now let's cut the blind bag. And let's see who we got. We got Wonder Woman with shield and a sword. So we got another woman of DC Universe. And you can turn her head side to side, which is pretty cool. Now let's open another Funko box. And this time it's from the upcoming new movie, Suicide Squad. This is another Mystery Minis Blind Box. And you can also collect 12 figures. I kind of want to get Deadshot with the mask. He looks pretty cool. Alright, let's open the blind box. Though there are only 12 figures shown, there are actually 18 figures to collect. But they are sold in different stores. And it looks like we got Killer Croc. Oh, I didn't get my LeBron James. Alright, this supervillain has a black jacket and black pants. And his jacket has a dragon and crocodile logo on it. And he looks pretty fierce. Only 2 surprises left in our Play-Doh egg, and our next surprise is going to be this Batman Returns 3-pack. This is a set that has 3 figures from the movie Batman Returns, and inside there is Catwoman, Batman, and the Penguin. So let's get them out. We got it at Toys R Us, and these figures look pretty cool. These are perceivable figures. You can move their heads, arms, and even legs. And this Catwoman has a pretty good costume. The next figures are Batman and my dad's favorite, the Penguin. Batman has a black suit, and you can remove the hat that belongs to the Penguin. Too bad you can't make him stand. Alright, time to take the last surprise. And it's gonna be the Suicide Squad 5-pack. We got 5 vinyl figures: Joker, Harley Quinn, Killer Croc, Deadshot, and Katana. And there's only 1 accessory, a baseball bat. Alright, let's get these figures out. Our first figure is Killer Croc. He has the same black jacket as the Killer Croc we got before, except he doesn't have the logos. Our next figure is my favorite Deadshot! And he even got the mask. Cool! The third figure is the Joker. Batman won't get you! Here we have a katana. And I made a little mistake. There are actually 2 accessories, a samurai sword and a baseball bat. And our last figure is Harley Quinn. And I gave her the baseball bat. So we got 2 girls with weapons. So here are my DC Comics figures. Once again, I got Harley Quinn, Katana, the Joker, Deadshot, Killer Croc, the Penguin, Batman, Catwoman, another Killer Croc, Wonder Woman, another Batman, Cyborg, Dr. Fate, and Batgirl. Pretty cool figures, huh? Now you can write down in my comments which one of these figures you like the most. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more Play-Doh Surprise Egg videos. Until then, bye! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.